Hey everyone, welcome to Beginner Bits. In this video, we are going to learn a very important topic of Python, tuple. So let's get started. First, let's create our Python file. So, what is a tuple in Python? A tuple is a collection of items, just like a list. But here's the difference. Tuples cannot be changed after you create them. Once you put items in a tuple, you cannot add, remove or change them. Let's see what a tuple looks like. Here we created a tuple named days of week, and inside this we have these items which are the names of days in a week. Tuples are written with round brackets. In list we used the square bracket, but in tuple we use round brackets. Okay, just like list we use comma to separate items in a tuple too. Okay, now if we print this, there you go, we have this tuple. Okay, let's take another example. Let's take the example from our list. Let's take this fruit example. Okay, so we got this another example. We have these fruits and this is a list. Why? Because we have these square brackets. Okay, so how can we change this to a tuple? Simply just remove the square brackets and use round brackets. Okay, now if we print this, there you go, we have this second tuple. Okay, now just like list, we can access any item in our tuple using index numbers too. For that, let's try to take this item only. How can we do that? So what's the index number of this item? This is 0, then 1. Okay, now if we print this, run this, there you go, we have this orange. Okay, now let's say I want to print these two. How can we do that? Let's print. Let's say I want to print these three. How can we do that? So the index number of this orange is 1 and the index number of this last one will be 0, 1, 2, 3. But if we want to print this and if we write here 3, what will happen? This will exclude the index number 3. So this banana will not be printed. So what can we do to print this banana? It's pretty easy. You got it, right? We are going to use here 4. Now if we print this, there you go, we have this orange, apple and banana. Orange, apple and banana. Okay, so here's something important. Unlike list, a tuple cannot be changed after it is created. This means you cannot add or remove any item from a tuple. Let's try to add a new item in our this fruit tuple. Let's say now we have used this append to add a new item in our fruit list. Okay, so let's see what happens now. There you go, we have this big error. What this says, tuple object has no attribute append. Okay, so this means we cannot add any new item in our list. Same goes for if we want to remove, this will say the same error. So let's say now let's go through a quick overview. So A tuple is a collection of items just like a list, but it cannot be changed. Okay, tuples are created using round brackets. Okay, you can access tuple items using their index. Okay, tuples are great when you want to store things that won't change, like days of the week, etc., etc. So that's it for today's video. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.